So he wept bitterly. Now, cosa el pecado del otro apóstoles? Tiempo na sufrir el Señor. Todos sila abandonaron el Señor. Siguro que sila pamilya, except for one. John the Beloved, nila naman na 12 apóstoles, y amuri de vejez, no hay familia. So los demás yan abandonaron. Pesado con el Señor. There is so much trust que el Señor ya dali kanina. Pero porque yung hindi sila para. But this is just one side of the coin. Except for Judas Iscariot, sabi nila, yes, he hung himself. General repentance. Pero, the issue of repentance is out of hysteria. Hopelessness ba? Porque ba? Yaman underestimate the power of God to forgive him. Mismo, iaablaban na mismo yung sarili, hindi mas ganito pwede kumingong perdonan sa inyo. Ay, kay grande na binikul akong Pino. And these are the reasons why many people commit suicide. Kaya pensaba sila is the end of the road. Hindi yan pwede ayuda ng Senyor kanila. Hindi sila i-contra solution to the problem. So, they put the law in their heads. Diba? So, all the others, maski na